In 2009, the number of gun-related homicide deaths outnumbered heroin deaths by more than 5 to 1. But last year, heroin actually killed more people nationwide than guns, according to the Centers for Disease Control. Fox 47's Scott Wolchek went to an opioid summit to ask what's being done about the epidemic and what resources they need.
It's mind-blowing to realize that many people are affected by it.
It's not easy to solve the widespread abuse of heroin and prescription drugs.
You have to understand what the triggers are. You have to understand how the drug works. You have to understand where it's coming from. So we got to come at the thing from every angle possible.
One of those angles is taking the drugs off the streets, but even cracking down on the dealers isn't enough to stop the problem.
This is such a huge issue that we're not going to arrest our way out of the situation or prosecute our way out of the situation. That's just one component.
A major step in the process is on the medical side. Heroin and prescription drugs go hand in hand. That's why doctors are taking steps to protect patients from future addiction.
Instructing patients under the risk of the medications when you need to start them on something and then prescribing to them appropriately on the healthcare side.
But what about the people who are already addicted?
You know, you can't force them into a hospital stay. You can't force them into rehab. But we can educate them on what's available for as far as treatment goes.
Education's the key.
One of the next steps in Jackson is to find somewhere recovering addicts can stay.
We don't really have any housing that we can just get someone off the street that's ready to quit right into the housing. We don't have that.
They may not have that, but everybody's got a medicine cabinet, and a good way to put a stop to this is getting rid of old prescription drugs.
Get them disposed. We got facilities all over the city where we can dispose of them properly.
All of these measures will hopefully put an end to this epidemic. In Jackson, Scott Wolchek, Fox 47 News.
If you want to help get involved to stop the heroin and opioid epidemic, there are a